A is equal to 2i plus 3j minus 5k, and B is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. Using a calculator, find A cross B. So we can do the cross product on the calculator here. Now, with things that I don't do very often, I tend to go in the interactive. We've got a vector and we've got something called cross P, and then we put our two vectors in. Now, you have to enter these vectors in square brackets. And other than that, you put them in like coordinates. So this would be 2, comma, 3, comma, negative 5 as our first vector. And the other vector, again, square brackets. And that is going to be 1, negative 2, and 3. And now we've got those in, we click OK, and we can see we get a vector as the answer. So we can say that A cross B is the vector negative 1, negative 11, negative 7. They're all negative like that. Clearly 1, 11, 7 just goes in the opposite direction to the one that we calculated, and we may well use this rather than the one we calculated. We now want to show that A cross B is perpendicular to A. So if I have negative 1, negative 11, negative 7, and I dot that with 2, 3, negative 5, that gives me negative 2, take away 33, add 35, and you can see that that's equal to 0. And as we discussed earlier, if A dot B equals 0, vectors are perpendicular. So let's do the same thing to show that it's perpendicular to B. And so we've got negative 1, negative 11, negative 7, and dot that with 1, negative 2, 3. So that's negative 1, add 22, take away 21, and we can see that is also equal to 0.